Okay, we're back in the afternoon now. Market's going to close in 30 minutes, so we're going to see what's happening here. Okay, our whole S&P dropped almost 1%. And let's go down to Bitcoin. And it's, again, it may even break these post box go further. And gold just went up 1%. Silver is on a rocket at freaking 5% today, which is insane. Ooh, maybe we got turn around on oil, possibly. It could be this guy here. So we can bring this guy in like that. Not quite. We'll have to find something that lines up with the oil. Something like that. And yep, so we have a falling wedge. Okay, that looks either in a bad channel or a falling wedge. We'll figure that out later. Okay. QT, wheat is weeding. Of course, my stock. I should have sold some here, but that's okay. I'm okay with that today. Yeah. Everyone else is. That's okay. All right. So we got to go to what we bought today too. This morning. So NOU. So go to this guy here. Bought some shares of this. See, it had potential. It just didn't make it. All right. So we're just gonna do a price label here. What we buy this thing at. Bought this at $4.49. Wow, what a fucking loss today. Okay, like that. And again, we're gonna do for a stop loss in. We're at 23 cents, so that's 46 cents. We gotta take off here. Here we go. Ooh, that's event viewer. All right, calculator. So on NOU, it's a graphene company. So we are going to type in 4.49 minus 26 cents. So 423 is our stop loss. Okay. Seems really tight. Oh no, Damien, oh yeah, you screwed that one up. Screwed the pooch on that. It's 46 cents, Damien. Holy. 4.49 minus 40.46. Yeah, 403. Man, you gotta watch how much you drink. All right, let's put that in there. Boom. That still looks like crap. And of course, that's why I write it down. Your ADHD brain won't hold it. So 403 by 449. Like that. Okay. Make that red. 20%. That. Boom. Okay, we bought it on the 17th. Ended on the 19th. Okay. Go back to Oliver Cal. Again, we broke this. Let's put the worst case scenario in. Just like that. Bring this back a bit. That. This. That. Oop. Even put it down a little lower. Here's our price point. Okay. So we're going to get out at $5.54. Boom. Okay. And what's the percentage? Potential? 23%. Okay. Put that to my red list. Okay, that one's done. Okay. Then we bought ACQ. Okay. At $22.17. All right. Price label. $22.17. See, it's still not that great, but okay. It's up to $22.33 so far. Okay. Go back to Richard Dennis. He says 62 cents, so that is $1. Yeah. $1.24. So we gotta take 22.17. Oop. Wow, that was pretty good. 22.17 minus 1.24 equals $20.93 is our stop loss. $0.93, right? Yeah, 93 cents. $20.93. Come on. Sure, 92. I'll go a little lower. This is being a pain. All right. Expand this window a little bit. 93, come on. More? I wish you could just type it in, but you can't. By 217. There we are. That's good. Okay, and right there. Okay. Find out the potential. Potential's way too high. Let's do worst case scenario. I like doing that. Worst case scenario, it breaks through. Great for you. Because if we're going to get a hump like that, I don't know. Let's shoot a little lower here. $27. Okay. And what we have? 24% approximately. Okay. Add that to red list. Okay. What else do we have? And then we sold all of FWZ. All right. So this one was a total loss anyways, so it broke through. Let's see what we sold this one at. We sold it at $2.65. Oh, that's horrible. Well, at least I broke right at the line. Whatever, at least you broke where you set up your stop loss. All right. It sucks, but happens. Move that to sold stocks and remove this one from the list. Oh well, bye-bye. Okay. And yeah, we sold our GIL yesterday. I should put these two in. So first one, $100 worth. One share, 86.48. I have a weird feeling that this is not gonna last long. 86. But still, like, I sold it above my drawing, or where I think my technical analysis is bringing me. So we sold a share there, and then we sold all the rest of the shares at here, like that. Sold the rest on December 16th, of course. This is yesterday. We have 2 sells. And the other one was 86.50. So a few more cents. Still did pretty good on that one for doing the technical analysis. Okay. Make sure it's moved to that. And buy. Okay. And then we sold CGG. China's, which I don't know what's going on here. It should be going up, but yeah, I have a bad feeling. Sold some at the top here, and we're at 27.66. We sold the other ones. Oh well, not horrible. We took profit near the top and sold the rest of the shares there. That's fine. At least it didn't sell it down here. Sold stocks, and goodbye. Okay. Okay, EQX. I'll look for. I sold 2 shares yesterday. At 19.42. Right there. So I should write in what was that one, but that's okay. Yeah, this one's gonna be take profit. I just put TP. It's for now. Okay, that one's done. Next, oh yeah, then we sold all of our key. KEY. Oop. Yeah, we're still in the game on this one. Key, we sold everything. All 8 shares yesterday. Could have been a bad idea. Oop. I thought that was something else. Still, that was price label. I know. Okay. We sold 8 shares that day at 43.48. Not horrible. That's the idea. You broke the 20 and the 10 and the 50. This could be doing one of these. So whatever. Took some off the top. So that whole position is done now. Sold stocks. Oh, click on that. Okay, and this one's gone. Okay, and we bought some Hydro One the other day. Oh, there you go. Let's see what we bought this at. Again, we bought on the 16th over here. Okay, price label 16th, and we bought 53.08. It's still a little high. Oh well. There's not that much potential to make anything, but it's such a stagnant market. You just got to take what you can get right now. It's I don't know. Well, right down below, if are you going to get out of the S&P, or what stocks are you selling or buying? Just right down below, and if you don't mind, I'll do a shout out and check your stats out. Oh, all right. Let's do some Oliver Kell. That's done. Now we do some Richard Dennis technical analysis. So right there, it says 63 cents. So of course, it's gonna be 126. So we're gonna go like this. Clear 53.08 minus 1.26 equals 51.82 is our stop loss. Really? Again, this is Richard Dennis's idea, so 53.08. Boom. 16th to the 16th. There we are. Okay. Got our red. And find out what our potential is. Of course, it's only here-ish. That's like max, but let's just go a little lower. It breaks that. Get the hell out. Okay. I bet you any money, it's like 3%, 4%. Oh, it's close. Three, yeah. 3 3/4. But still, there's nothing else really to play. So we're going to move that to our red list. And yeah, I was thinking about buying that one. I thought I bought this one. Maybe I didn't. Oh yeah, because there wasn't that much potential. Yeah, only like a 3% increase, and I hate real estate, to be honest. Rentals stocks can go the other way. Even this one, CVO. I was thinking about buying this one, but I jumped out. Again, we're below the I don't know. It could hit here and then bounce out. I should have grabbed it, but oh well. Can't win them all. Anyways, if you want to stay tuned for tomorrow morning, and we'll be doing a little technical analysis again, try to find some new plays for the morning. So don't forget to follow, subscribe, and write a comment. All right. Anyways, you guys have a good one. All right. Goodbye.